Let's take another look at the search results page. What I currently have on screen is the default page. If you are on a computer, the screen should look similar, though if you are on a mobile device, your layout may differ slightly. The biggest difference is the filters and timeline being buttons at the top of the page on mobile, instead of being along the left side of the screen, as you can see here. There are a few different sorting options you can choose between. The default option is Best Match, which keeps the most relevant results at the top of your search. If you want to sort articles based on their recency, I suggest using the publication date filter, as that will get you a more accurate sort than most recent. Most recent sorts based on the day the article was added to PubMed, not the date the article was actually published. First author and journal are the other two sorting options. Now that you have decided how you would like to sort your search results, let's take a look at the display options. The default option here is the summary format with 10 results per page and showing abstract snippets. Summary allows you to see a decent amount of information on the articles before you go to the article page, such as the title of the article, the authors of the article, the journal it was published in, and the date it was published. Selecting the abstract format allows you to see more information on the articles, most notably the full abstract and how many articles have cited the article. Selecting the PubMed display option will take you to a summary page for the articles. I do not recommend you use this one as it will not feature links to the article pages and full text of the articles. Similarly, the PMID option will only show you the PMIDs for the article, which are the unique IDs PubMed gives each article in its system, and may not have as much information as you would like for your search. Once you have decided on the format you prefer, you can decide how many results you want to see on the page. The options available are 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200 results per page. The final option under the display settings is the abstract snippets option. If you are using the summary format and think the abstract snippets take up too much space on the screen, you can select the hide option to remove them from the search results page. Now that we have gone over how to start a search in PubMed, it's time to go over how to filter your search. To begin, on the left side of the page, you can see two ways to filter your search by time. The first is by dragging along the timeline, which shows a graph of how many articles in your search were published by year. The second way to filter by time is through the publication date filter, where you can select 1, 5, or 10 years, or select a custom date in the custom range option. Since PubMed is a health database, they also have a wide variety of article type filters. If you need to find specific types of articles for an assignment, these filters can save you a significant amount of time. There are also helpful filters under the additional filters section. One of the more useful filters is the exclude preprints one, which is great if you need to find peer-reviewed articles. Preprints are a way for authors to publish their research quickly before undergoing a lengthy peer review process, which can be useful for other researchers who want to hear about new developments in their field as soon as possible, though you likely won't want to see them if you need to use peer-reviewed articles for an assignment. If you find that most of your results are animal studies, then you can select the humans option under the species filter, though use it with caution as it may remove some relevant results from your search. In a similar way, you can use the sex and age filters if your search is bringing up a lot of articles that don't work for your topic. The reason I suggest using these last few filters with caution is because not all articles are labeled with the demographics of their participants, so you may exclude relevant results by using these filters if the article doesn't list the species, sex, or ages of the participants. For more information on how to thoroughly search for human studies, go to the video for human studies.